Greetings to all. Now you are very much through with the posting of partners capital account, revaluation account and balance sheet. But now we are going to move further with some of the extra sums respect to admission of a partner in this particular video. Yogesh and Naresh are partners sharing 3:2 and they admitted Ramesh with 1/3 share on 1st April 2020 and also decided to share profits and losses equally. Now in this sum, they had already mentioned that they are going to share in the future profit and losses equally. These are some of the information they had given in the balance sheet. You can see something new in this, that is your current account available in the sum. So current account is there, capital account is there, and there is some other factors which are there like advertisement suspense account, workman compensation reserve and other items like employees provident fund. They admitted Ramesh with the following conditions. So he will bring 5 lakhs as a capital, his share of goodwill is 1 lakh and he is unable to bring the goodwill. Value of land and building is appreciated by 40,000 each and value of furniture is reduced to 40,000. Provision for doubtful debts is increased to 10% and the liabilities for damages is 10,000 is to be created. Now first of all you have to draw revaluation account, partners capital account and partners current account as well and balance sheet, right? So we have to move on with the sum respectively step by step. So first of all, as we are aware, we always used to find out the working respect to goodwill because goodwill is there in the sum. We will do working for goodwill, that is first we will find out sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is available in the sum. New partner's share is given. At the same time, old partner's future profit is also given in the sum. So when this type of condition is given, you have to deal this sum with this particular manner. For more sums, you can see a video respect to your extra sums respect to NPSR so that you can get the idea. Then we have full working over here, you can see, so that you can get the idea. Have a look on that. Stepwise you will go with that so that you can get the idea. So first of all, what we will do, suppose profit is equal to 1, therefore remaining share we will find out is 2/3 of this new profit sharing ratio for existing partners after admission multiply by remaining share. Okay, so that will give you A is equal to half multiply by 2/3 and B is equal to half multiplied by 2/3 and C is equal to 1/3 itself. So this way we will get new profit sharing ratio 1:1:1. Then further step we will find out sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio have a simple formula, old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. So finally we will get 4:1 as our sacrificing ratio. Now this working is done. So now again we will be switching towards the sum. So first of all, whatever items are there in the balance sheet that we are supposed to transfer. So you can see over here, we have been over here with capital account. So in the capital account, we are going to transfer by balance brought down 5 lakhs. Then current account, we have prepared current account also. So by balance brought down 1,10,000 and 90,000 respectively. Then we have reserves, workman compensation reserve. So workman compensation reserve 1 lakh is to be distributed in the ratio of 3:2, what is their old ratio, and advertisement suspense is also to be transferred. This workman compensation reserve and advertisement suspense both will be transferred to current account because the sum is having a nature of fixed capital. So when there is a fixed capital, everything will be transferred to the current account, as we are aware with the previous chapter. Now further we will be moving. First of all, we have drawn, so we are going to transfer this all items in the respective form. So you can see over here, I have done all these activities over here. I'm showing that. Here comes your current account. In the current account, I have transferred balance of current. Here balance of current is transferred. Here balance of workman compensation reserve is transferred. Here balance of advertisement is a suspense account is also transferred. Now after this we are going to transfer to the capital account also by balance brought down 5 lakhs 5 lakhs. So this is also done over here. Now we are going to switch on to the next part, that is here he will bring 5 lakhs as his capital. So what will be journal entries when the 5 lakhs capital is brought down by the new partner? So entry will be cash oblique bank account debit to Ramesh capital, because fixed capital nature it will be transferred to capital, right? So cash oblique bank account debit to capital, that is 5 lakhs 5 lakhs. So in the partner's capital account you will be transferring this by bank 5 lakhs rupees over here. Now comes your next adjustments. Now first I will be highlighting the adjustment and then we will go to the solution towards that. Here share of goodwill of 1 lakh. 1 lakh is a new partner's share of goodwill which is to be now distributed in the sacrificing ratio among the sacrificing partners. So your journal entries will be passed like this, that is Yogesh and Naresh are the person who are sacrificing over here in the ratio of 4:1. What we have already done the working of that, right? So your journal entries will be transferred to the current account. So Yogesh current account debit, sorry, Yogesh and current are sacrificing, so person who is sacrificing will be always credit. So your journal entries will be passed as Ramesh current account debit, the partner who is entering in the business, Ramesh current account debit to Yogesh current account and to Naresh current account, to Yogesh current account and to Naresh current account, right? So this way we have transferred this balances. Now next part. Now this all C to F I will be here explaining and then we will move on to the revaluation account posting. So you can do parallel sum when I am speaking, you can post it them in then and then you can check the solution towards that. So value of land and building is appreciated by 40,000 each. So your land is individually given and building is also individually given. Both are increased by 40,000 in the future. So in the revaluation account, as we are getting a profit in the revaluation account, we are going to transfer by land and by building individually 40,000 each towards that, and then the next effect will be in the balance sheet. We are going to write down land in a column 4 lakhs plus appreciation 40,000, and same way building also 4 lakhs plus 40,000. So this both will be transferred as 4 lakh 40,000 in the solution. Then comes your furniture is to reduce 2 rupees 40,000. Now furniture is standing how much? 50,000. Furniture is 50,000. It is reduced to 40,000. So it's a loss to the firm. So it will be transferred to the debit side of your revaluation account. So on the debit side we are going to write down to furniture 10,000. And in the balance sheet you will be writing furniture in the inner column 50,000 less depreciation 10,000, so outer column gives you 40,000. Then comes your provision for doubtful debts. Now for provision for doubtful debts, first of all you have to take a book sundry debtors original 2,10,000. Of that you have to find out 2,10,000 at rate 10%. You have to find out doubtful debts 10%. So I have found 10% as depreciation as 21,000, but here 10,000 is already existing. So only 11,000 will be transferred to revaluation account debit side, and in the balance sheet we will be showing 2,10,000 less 21,000. So outer column will be transferred. And now F point, a liability of damages of 10,000 is to be created. So one effect will be, it will be revaluation account debit side as we are aware with this, and the next effect will be in the liability side of the closing balance sheet. So this way we have transferred all the items towards us. Now you have to just check the things what is there in the revaluation account as you had done or not, so that will be understood. And rest of the items, those who are not affected at all, they are purely to be transferred to the closing balance sheet. Like over here we have not touched computers, we have not touched stock, that is to be transferred blankly towards that. Cash and bank, you keep it in the inner column because there is a adjustment, because new partner has brought the capital and all, adjustment will come. While on the liability side, there is sundry creditors, expenses payable, and employees provident fund. Always remember, employees provident fund is never to be distributed among the partners, because they are the liability of the firm, because employees some money from his salary, and employer itself, they both used to give some money transferred to the government, and then at the time of retirement, employee will get that fund back. So these are things which is to be always remembered. So now have a look on the revaluation account. By totaling that, you will get a gain of 29,400 and 19,600 respectively, that is 49,000 is a gain which is to be transferred to current account. So current account, we are going to transfer the gain over here, you can see, and finally we are going to close our current account. So here current account will be closed. Here you can see all the entries are to be added up, and then minus this 18,000, you will get final answer as 2,61,400. Same for Naresh, also applicable. And Ramesh will be having a debit balance because he is not bringing goodwill in the cash form. So that is also transfer. Then partners capital is to be closed. They are having an equal balance of 5 lakhs each. And then finally we have to transfer that balances over here in the balance sheet. You can see current account I have transfer, and Ramesh current account also I have transfer, and rest all the items will be transferred according to the understanding of us what I have given. And cash account, and here bank 70,000 plus 5 lakhs, what is a new partner brought in the business, that is transfer. So 5 lakh 70,000 final answer we will get. Same way, now another sum, that is sum number 7, we are going to do. It's a very easy sum, same pattern, same style, you can do it. Here you can see the scenario of balance sheet. X and Y are partners, and here the Z is admitted in the new partner, and they had given provision for doubtful debts is there, outstanding rent payable is there, accrued income of 4,500 does not appear is there, X takes our investment is also over there, and new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. Z will bring 60,000 as his capital by check, and Z is to pay an equal amount of share in the firm's goodwill valued twice the average profit of last 3 years, right? So these are the scenario, and half of the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the partners. So that all things we are going to input in this particular sum. So you are supposed to draw the revaluation account, partners capital account, and partners current account as under. So draw these all accounts. You can see I have drawn that. Done. And now we are going to start with the adjustments. So very first thing, transfer all the items which can be transferred to the partners capital account or another accounts, right? So we have prepared current and capital, so we are going to transfer capital and current account balances respect to that. So you can see here capital account we are going to transfer 1,80,000 and 90,000 on the credit side. At the same time we are going to transfer current account by balance brought down. Right, that is 30,000 and 6,000. While at the same time you can see general reserve is also there, that is to be transferred to current account by general reserve in the ratio of 3:2. And at the same time you can see goodwill is there, right? Goodwill having a debit balance, so they are to be also transferred, because old goodwill is always to be written off whenever your new goodwill is appearing. So you can see over here I have transferred all the items in the respective manner. You can see over here that items are transferred in the current account, right? Current account with the balance, general reserve, balance, general reserve, at the same time goodwill written off. Here I had not prepared Z's column because it is not required, no adjustment respect to Z's column is there, so we have to ignore that. Now switch on to the another part, that is adjustments towards that. First I will discuss the adjustment and then we will be closing off this. Z is admitted as a new partner 1st April 2020. Provision for doubtful debts is maintained at 5% on debtors. So we have to provide debtors 60,000 at rate 5%, 6 5s are 3,000. So of this 3,000, 2,400 is already available in this. So 600 is only to be transferred. Then outstanding rent payable is there. Outstanding rent payable, it's a liability, so revaluation account debit side, and another effect will be on the liability side of your balance sheet. Then accrued income means the income which is yet to be received, so that is to be transferred on the credit side of your revaluation account, and another effect will be on the balance sheet asset side. X takes over investment at agreed value of 18,000. Now investment is standing with 24,000 while X takes away for 18,000. So there is a loss which is to be transferred to revaluation account, and another effect of that will be transferred to the balance sheet, partners current account debit side, because here partners take away the investment. So you can see over here investment entry on the debit side of partners current account. Now we are going to do the working for goodwill. So goodwill working is here shown. You can see the question, and here you can see profits are given which is to be taken as an average, and then number of purchase year 2 years is given. So 1,62,000 is firm's goodwill what we got. And here old ratio and new ratio is given, so we are supposed to find out sacrificing ratio also, that also we had found. So finally it is to be distributed in the ratio of 7:1, so 7:3. So you can see over here I have transferred that to the current account by premium for goodwill 36,000, 25,200 and 10,800, and they have specifically mentioned that goodwill is to be withdrawn by the partners, right? So that is also to be transferred, and for that reason only I have prepared bank account. So here new partner brings capital, new partner brings premium for goodwill, and partners withdrawn goodwill, that all entries are over here, and finally we got 93,000 as a balance. So here this way adjustments are getting over, and now finally we can see over balance sheet whatever items are left that are to be transferred to the closing balance sheet as it is at their book value, and that will be transferred one by one over there, and then you can close all the current account by totaling total of X with the debit side minus, so we will get the balance of 17,940 and 6,960, that both balances are now transferred to the closing balance sheet. And capital accounts are also to be closed with the same balances, and this will show you final total of 4,14,900. 4,14,900. So this way your balance sheet tallies. And here comes your next sum, which is just a practice sum. You can do it by your own, and the solution is also there with this, so that you can do it by your own. Only new thing is that here in the point number E, they had transferred all the current account to the partners capital account, so that you have to just look upon. Thank you.